Hello, my name is Satinder and I'll be presenting a lesson today. This lesson on cells as the basic unit of life introduces a foundational concept in biology. It is placed in year 8, which builds on prior learning of the living and non-living things. This will also prepare students for senior science. Moving to slide 2, the lesson background. So, lesson background explicit ensures transparency, stating the learning intentions and success criteria, which supports student ownership of learning, as highlighted in Hattie's work on visible learning. This approach justifies the teaching sequence by clearly showing how lesson connects to syllabus outcomes and what students will achieve by the end. Since the class has diverse learners, so this class has included that as well. This slide highlights inclusivity as an essential element of effective teaching. So everybody will feel included. Strategies for ALD students, students with the autism, and diverse learners from different backgrounds are built into lesson design from the outset. The justification is that embedding these strategies aligns with APST standards and ensures equity of access so every student can participate meaningfully in the lesson. Moving to the teaching strategies. So all these strategies that have been put into the work are evidence based. Direct instruction is justified because students need a clear model for understanding cell structure. Cooperative learning fosters peer teaching and deeper engagement. Inquiry with microscopes encourages discovery consistent with constructivist principles. So I have also attached a diagram. ICT integration enhances visualization of microscopic structures, making abstract concepts concrete. Each strategy is chosen deliberately to meet the different learning needs and maximize engagement among the students. So, yeah, moving to differentiation. So, differentiation is planned rather than reactive. The justification is that diverse learners require tailored entry points, scaffolds like label diagrams such as animal cell as it's mentioned in this slide, and sentence frames support language development, while visual schedules and step-by-step tasks support autistic students. Universal design for learning ensures access for all students. By embedding differentiation, the lesson aligns with inclusive pedagogy and Australian professional standards for teachers, which is 1.5. Moving to assessment and feedback. So, formative assessment strategies such as questioning, observation, and exit tickets are justified because they provide immediate evidence of learning progress. Feedback is structured to be both verbal and written, ensuring students can act on it. Differentiated feedback acknowledges that students process information differently. This approach reflects Black and Williams' theory of formative assessment and Hattie's model of effective feedback. Curriculum content is taken from ACARA, which is Australian curriculum, ACSS U149 and SC414LW. Aligning with curriculum ensures coverage of mandated content and demonstrates accountability. The focus on organelles and comparing plant versus animal cell is chosen because it builds conceptual understanding and provides the foundation for later topics in genetics and physiology. Next, some APST links are provided in this slide, which are 1.5, 2.6, and 5.2. 1.5 justifies um, differentiation for diverse learners, and this slides also highlights that effective feedback, which is 5.2, it's also embedded in the class, and ICT integration, which is 2.6, has also been added. So making this explicit shows that the lesson is grounded in professional practice and meets accredited requirements. In conclusion, the conclusion slide is justified as a summary of pedagogical coherence. Revisiting the sequence demonstrates how each strategy flows logically to support learning. Highlighting evidence based practices and inclusive pedagogy reinforces the professional rationale. The reflection on formative assessment shows how teaching decisions are data driven rather than just theory. So, some references from which this assignment and these slides have been driven are also attached. So these references justify the lesson design by demonstrating that choices are evidence based rather than arbitrary. So including academic resources such as Haiti, Rosenshine and Brunner shows that strategies are supported by established research. Curriculum and policy documents demonstrate alignment with external standards and requirements. These are some additional references which provide the theoretical foundation for scaffolding EALD learners, the importance of feedback, cooperative learning, subject content, and Rosenshine's principle of instruction. So that's all for this presentation. Thank you.